TSR-ELSITE is a specialist in temporary electrical, lighting, and heating equipment. We represent high-quality and robust Finnish expertise in the field. Our key personnel own a part of the company and are actively involved in daily operations. One example of our advanced solutions is Spine, an easy-to-use system that enables real-time monitoring and management of a temporary electrical network. Spine provides users with information about the electrical network and helps prevent potential issues through proactive alerts. Additionally, the system aids in cost management and facilitates carbon-neutral choices. Our solutions, designed for use on construction sites, industry, and at events, are available through equipment rental companies, retailers, wholesalers, and direct project sales. We serve customers throughout Europe. Contact us for more information.